So we're here on your roof, on the bright sun.
We make one extra bonus shot, right? Because first the sun came out, and second because we have high danger to get now wet and to mess it up.
Oh, but he's using a special gun?
Right, that's what you say is, even that there is a bright sunlight, you can still see the picture clearly. And with a normal monitor, no way to see. And what you see here is, I hope you have never seen anywhere else, because I think it's one of the best touch performances you can have. So this is an IP68 stream, and okay, yeah, measure. And so it's IP68, and even probably you can come closer because still it's IP68, and you don't have any ghost touches. That's really important. Imagine it's an outdoor intercom, and it happened with earlier versions that suddenly in the night when it was rain, people received calls, and for sure they freaked totally out. So we invested it here really 1-2 years of research that even an IP68 stream cannot make any ghost touches, but still, still it has the touch, and you can write and use it. And so I think it's at least one of the best, probably the best touch performance in the world we can offer. And again, this happens for sure because our customers came to us, asked for a solution, and we worked it then out that they get exactly what they want.
And how do you get such sunlight visibility? Is just a bunch of nits? What's the trick?
2 tricks.
The bundling?
It's right. It's the high brightness LEDs. We use even 100,000 hours LED backlight, so you can use it for 100,000 hours outdoor. And second, the optical bonding, and so you have less reflections. The picture is more bright, and you can see it also under direct sunlight. What I have to say is really probably I underestimate the power of our development, but most of the time, Nicolas, it's not so much magic. It's just that you need to find people who really want to do it, that you really say, okay, we do it, and then let's go in the market and do it. I mean, in the today world, almost all information are available. And so you just say, okay, I do it, and I don't give up, and I work so long on it until we find the solution. And even the touch controller manufacturer before said, impossible to have such a touch performance. And then Calvin just sit there and okay, probably he worked a month on it, yeah, and didn't do anything else. But at the end, he find the right mixture and tuning that it works perfectly under sunlight.
And you have done some experiments with e-ink also?
E-ink is definitely very interesting for bus stops, for example. And I mean, it's fantastic to have a bus stop running on pure solar cell. We try to get in contact and set up and offer an e-ink.
But there's
portfolio.
also lots of other innovations happening in the display market, and you're always keeping your finger on the latest. Potentially some technology comes out with even more sunlight visible technology, and you'll adopt it.
The LED or micro LED is a big step. We can, let's say, optical bond and use this as touch without any problems. And for sure, what you say, we are still not so large that we can set up, let's say, display trends, but we are here to see all trends and react early enough on it.